If you do all I ask you to do, I will not hurt you, okay? Thank you. Now the people after my life are very, very wicked. They will kill me once they get me. And I know you wouldn't want me to die, right? Okay. Now, I need you to take me to your kitchen. They'll be here very soon. Let's go.
Please don't hurt me, please. I'm begging.
I won't hurt you, okay?
Please, sir.
Give me your leg.
Please, no, sir, please. Sir, please, I'm begging you, please.
Give me your leg.
Sir, please. Sir, please. Please, please. Please, sir, please. You promise not to hurt me. Sir, please. Sir, please.
I will not hurt you.
Okay.
Promise.
Sir, thank you. Sir, please. Sir, please. Sir, please. Sir, please. Sir, please. Please, please, my leg. Please, sir, please. Sir, please. Sir, please. Sir, please. Ah! Please, sir, please.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Do you have tissue? Sorry. Look, they're going to be here anytime soon. Do you have tissue?
I don't know. I don't know.
Sorry. I didn't mean to.
So you said you're not going to hurt me.
Sorry, your blood is going to be our saving grace. Who's that? You have to go. You have to go, please. No. You said you was going. You said you saved me, remember? Let's go. Let's go. Watch yourself. No, you said that. I promise you said you would.
Young lady, how are you?
How can I help you, sir?
Yes. Did you see anyone with a bullet wound run into this compound?
Bullet wound? No. Male or female?
What about the blood all over the compound?
The blood? Actually, ma, when I was going to work this morning, I mistakenly stepped on a shark can, so it caught my feet. I was trying to dress it before you guys came.
Are you sure?
Do I have any reason to lie to you?
Don't sound convincing, and your voice is filled with anxiety.
I'm a banker, ma. It's only right that I'm scared because you guys came. I don't have anything here.
Oh, you're a banker?
Yes, ma'am.
That's interesting. Officer, let's search.
Sergeant, Come back. Let her be. Let's go. Don't worry, let's give her the benefit of doubt. Okay? But you, a banker, should know the danger of hiding a criminal in your house.
Yes, I understand that.
You might be his next victim.
Okay, sir. You know, all those ones where they find, and then they dangerous pass, so you have to be careful. Be warned.
And if we should find out in any way that you aided and abetted crime, be sure that there will be grave consequences.
I understand that, sir.
Good. Go and take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.
All the sacrifices you've made for me, all the pains you've gone through for me, I'll never take for granted. With every beat of my heart and every breath that I take, I'll stick it out with you. I'll make it up to you. So please don't hurt me.
I would be frightened to hell if I was in your shoes. But trust me, I'm not anything close to the image in front of you.
Really? You knew you would frighten me and yet you did it. You promised not to hurt me.
Survival instinct. I just had to do what I had to do to save us.
Us? There is no us. I was okay not until you walked into my house. I don't even know why I did it, to be honest.
Humanity. You did it for humanity's sake. I am not a criminal.
Oh. Someone escaping from the police with bullet wounds and pistol. And you're saying you're not a criminal? Do you know what this single act of mine will cost me? Hey, why did you take so much time?
I'm so sorry. A lot was going on in there. So sorry.
Oh, you know I told you that it's almost past my lunchtime.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. What happened to your leg? Oh, God. I had a minor accident.
Ah, sorry about that.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, it's alright.
There you go.
Hi, babes. Why are you making something like that over the phone? Sister.
I had a minor cut too.
How are you rushing your food?
Girl, it's almost past my lunchtime.
Babes, even if your manager is a witch, she'll take pity on you because of the injury on your leg. And moreover, this injury, is it that serious? Just wanted to be sure. Sorry. Sorry now. It's your food.
I wish you could see. I wish you could see the innocence in my eyes. I wish you could read between the lines. If only you could see the truth under covers.
Trust me, I'm not anything close to the image in front of you.
You promised not to hurt me.
Survival instinct. I just had to do what I had to do to save us.
Us? There is no us. I was okay not until you walked into my house. I don't even know why I did it, to be honest.
bright and beautiful. That my innocence shall prevail, and justice shall prevail.
I am not a criminal.
Someone escaping from the police with bullet wounds and pistol. And you're saying you're not a criminal?
I wish you could see the innocence in my eyes. I wish you could read between the lines. If only you could see the truth on the cover, the doubt would be over. I wish you could.
Can you listen to yourself, Lucy? Hiding and shielding an armed robber. Where's your Christian virtue?
Babe, I'm not telling you this for you to judge me.
There she goes again. Judgment. I don't even comprehend why people call correction judgment. And might I remind you that the Bible says judgment begins from the house of the Lord. 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 17. Please refer.
Okay, babe, like what do you want me to do now? Eh? Please, let's go.
No, we go nowhere. Come back. We go to the police station to make a report so that criminal in your house should be apprehended.
You want to go and make a report at the police station?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. What will be my fate?
Lucy, that depends on your cooperation with the police, of course. Just do the right thing.
You don't mind me going to jail because you want to uphold Christian virtues?
Nobody says you're
My
going
dear,
to jail.
I'm going.
Where are you going to?
I'm going. You don't want to go, right? That's fine.
Lucy! Did you just abandon me here? Lucy! Where are you going to? Lucy! Oh my God. Did she just abandon me here? I can't believe this. But I told you to do the right thing. Fine. Come back.
Bruno. Bruno!
Hey, I was already coming to open the door.
What are you doing?
I'm making food
Why?
because, you see, I figured that you're going to be back late. As a banker, I'm surprised to see that you're back early. So I said to at least prepare something for you to eat when you're back from work.
And what happened here?
Nothing much. I tidied the house. So I have...
Are you doing this for me to see you in a different form? Because it's not working. And I already have my plans.
Whatever your plans, I'm going to leave tonight. Thanks for the hospitality. Let me check what I'm making.
Sure, you didn't take anything. What are you making?
And if we should find out in any way that you aided and abetted crime, be sure that there will be grave consequences.
I understand that, sir.
Good. Go and take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.
We go nowhere. Come back. We go to the police station to make a report so that criminal in your house should be apprehended.
You want to go and make a report at the police station?
Yes. So this girl disgraced me because I choose to watch her back. She insulted me just because I chose to keep a low profile. She doesn't know that 1% of my net worth will be 10 times of that her rubbish car. Rubbish. Yes. What do you want from me? I have heard you. I've heard you. Okay, bye. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye, Lucy. There's nothing to talk about between both of us. Nothing. As far as you don't want to live up to your Christian standard, there's nothing for us to talk about here. Rubbish. There's no concord between light and darkness. Cannot be contaminated by sin.
Look, I don't understand the reason you're doing what you're doing. I don't know the meaning of this, but I need to go. It's for the betterment of both of us, for your safety. I mean, not after the threat. I just need to leave. I just need to walk through that door and go. I mean, leave your house. Please.
But please don't go. Sorry.
Lucy. Lucy, you're a good person. I'm not disputing the fact that you have been nice to me. I mean, if not for your kind heart, who knows, you would have given me in. But you stood by me. But not just me right now. It's about your job, your personality. You don't want to lose your job. You don't want to be on the news. Please, allow me live with my shattered life. Please. I don't deserve to be around you. I don't deserve to be here. I just need to leave.
I'll never turn you in. I promise. I will stand by you till you stand on your feet. Please, don't go. Please just let me. Don't go.
You're my body desire. In your eyes, I see my sunrise. I see my future.
Why did you insist we meet here? Why not your house or the boutique?
You should even thank God I agreed to meet you here.
Babe, all this attitude, all this behavior, is it because of this thing or there's something else you're not telling me?
Lucy, as long as that agent of darkness is in your house, you have compromised your faith. And I don't want to entangle myself with that because of my Christian life. Heaven is real. Hellfire is more real.
Oh. If there is one thing I know, Christianity and humanity goes hand in hand. Where is your empathy?
Don't deceive yourself with that, Lucy. Even the Bible says in 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 22, abstain from everything evil. How can you, a young lady, harbor a criminal in your house? And you call that humanity? Who will believe you?
You believe me. And God believes me because He searches the hearts of men. If all this attitude, all this character is because of that man in my house, you want me to send him away, I am not going to do it. I will not.
Meaning
that I know you too well. What is your problem? Why do you feel the need to dictate what I do and how I do it? We are friends. It's not a dictatorship, my dear. Do you understand?
So you won't send him out?
No, I would not.
Fine.
Okay, that's fine.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How was your day?
Good.
Yeah.
Bruno, should you go into my room? Did you enter my room?
Yeah.
Why? In my absence, without my consent? Don't you know you're invading my privacy?
Oh no, I didn't mean to. I saw your personal things outside, so I took you to the room, and that was it.
Okay. I'm sorry. I was just embarrassed. A woman's closet is like a shrine. Sorry.
I am embarrassed here. Because I know you thought I'm not supposed to be inside your room because I'm a criminal.
No, don't say that, please. That's not true. I'm really sorry. Okay?
It's fine.
So are you always like this?
Like how?
You know, the cleaning, tidying. Are you like this or you're trying to impress me?
You're really eccentric.
What exactly have I gotten myself into? This waka no go easy. He appears to be opposite of what I thought of him. But I have to watch it. Lucy, don't be carried away with emotions. Don't. Keep your emotions in check.
Not at your office.
It's lunchtime. Calm down.
Have you done what I asked you to do? Has that criminal left your house?
Girl, are we still on this topic? I thought we were done with it last week.
We're not done with anything. As far as you're cohabiting with a criminal with a gun in your house, do you know if the news goes out there, do you know where it will land you?
Girl. Point of correction. Bruno is not a criminal, okay? He's a victim of circumstance. And I'm sure you'll get to understand with time.
Oh, really? Yeah. Bruno is his name. That's the lie he fed you. See, the earlier you chase that guy out of your house, the better for you. You know what? I think I'll come to your house myself to chase him out. Because it looks like he has cast a spell on you.
It's fine, babe. It's fine. I'm not here for all this. I'll go back home. It's almost time. What's your problem? You're fine. You'll not stop me.
I've told you. Do you know what news it will land you if they hear that he
Fine, I beg you. I'm not here to talk about Bruno. Let's talk about something else. Or you want me to go? Girl, give me something cold, I beg. You said you were putting on masks, right? And the police didn't see your face. You're not the only fair guy in the group. So what exactly are you scared of?
Well, it's not really about the police. It's about the gang. okay? If they ever set their eyes on me, I'm a goner. The thing is, they lured me into this. So they will make sure they eliminate me so I don't go out there to blow the trumpet. So they are looking for me everywhere. I'm very sure of that. They're looking for me everywhere, and I'm not just hiding from the police alone.
Oh, I don't want my friend to see you looking shabby. She's coming.
Your friend is coming here?
Yes.
Oh no, I'm not supposed to be here then.
Relax. She already knows you're here.
She knows I'm here? Oh my God, you're not supposed to do this. It's risky. What's that?
I don't know. Are you expecting? Because I'm not.
Your friend, is she coming this early?
She didn't tell me.
Oh shit.
Bruno, hold on.
No.
Okay, let me just get the. Hey girl.
Where is he?
Why is your face like that, and where is who?
Where is he now? Where is the person you have in your house? Eh? You know, I didn't want to tell you that I was coming, so you won't smuggle him out. The Bible said the kingdom of God suffered violence, and the violent take it by force. So, come and show me where you hid him. Let's go now.
Girl, you're dramatic.
There is no drama here. I'm the agent of light that have come to cast out the darkness that have blinded your eyes from impending doom and catastrophe. Oh yeah, let's go. Lucy, let's go. Where is he? Bring him out. Where are you?
Babe, please. You see this August visitors? I don't even like. Tell me where you are coming.
Eh? Where is he?
Babe, calm down. Calm down.
Where is he now?
Do you want to embarrass yourself before who you want to comfort?
Okay.
Calm down.
Okay, let me put it this way. Where did you hide him?
Girl. He's inside. Let me check.
I'm waiting.
Bring out the criminal.
Let's see him. Hello. Hello, handsome. I'm Linda, Lucy's friend.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You're so handsome.
Thank you. Alright, make yourself comfortable.
Girl, what exactly happened in there?
That guy should leave your house. It's bad news.
Girl, you heard his story. You heard how he was forced in a gang.
I'm not even talking in that context. He can molest you while you're alone in the house with him at night. Girl, I can see it in his eyes.
Really? He can molest me? Really? Girl, do you think I'm blind? Or do you think I'm daft? I saw you. I saw the way you were looking at him like you wanted to pull his pants off.
Exactly my point, my dear daughter of Zion. He seduced me. He has the spirit of seduction. Now I know why you don't want him to live here.
He has a spirit of seduction.
Yes.
Girl, please. I don't want to have this conversation again. Besides, daughter of Zion, it will do us great deal if while we are doing this heavenly race, we stop being hypocrites. Because Bible says God loves sinners more than hypocrites.
Really?
Yes.
So you don't want to kick him out
I'm
of the house?
not kicking him out. You can go.
Okay. No problems.
You should have seen your face the way you were actually looking at him. Maybe I would have given you guys room for you to do what you want to do. Holier than thou.
There's so much pressure on me. I wish you could see. I wish you could see the innocence in my eyes. I wish you could read between the lines.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Fine.
What's wrong? Your mood is off. Did my friend say anything to you?
Oh no. What could she possibly say to make me feel this way? My friend is a clown.
Don't talk like that. She's my best friend and she's a nice person. Okay? With time you get to know her.
Are you sure about that?
Yes. In fact, sit. I want to hear what the problem is. Sit.
Okay, if you say so. I pray you'll be right about your friend.
So tell me, what's wrong?
You know, I told you I was frustrated. But I didn't tell you the reason for the frustration. You know, that was actually what made me leave Abuja to this town until I met the wrong folks that took me on the wrong path. Actually, almost all my life has been in the UK and the USA.
Really? That's nice.
Yeah, I did my high school in UK, my college in USA. I am the... How do I tell you this? I am the only surviving son of Chief Lawrence Iweka.
Lawrence Iweka. Why does that name sound familiar? Hold on. Lawrence Iweka, the owner of Bolingo Hilton's Suites, right? The billionaire that died in a helicopter crash the other day. Is that your father?
Yeah. You're right about his death. I mean, it was everywhere. Lost my father, my mom, my brother, and my only sister on that crash. And the sad part is the crash was masterminded by his business partner, his best friend, his childhood friend. It's sad that he took away everything my father built, his assets. And
Bruno, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I wish you could see.
it's fine.
I wish you could see the innocence in my eyes. I don't know where to go. I'm stuck right here in my sorrow. Oh. everything is tearing apart. I'm not really what you think. I'm just a victim of circumstances. But I know someday.
You said my friend has not come here.
I've not seen her.
But she told me she's here.
You're supposed to know your friends so well. Sometimes she will order food and her boss will call her. She'll just abandon the food and do that.
So what are you implying?
She might have told you she's here, maybe close by. Then she'll see the call, she'll go back.
Let her not try that with me. I'm too busy for that. That's why she's not even picking her calls.
You know your friend now, bank work.
Which bank? Today is weekend, you daft.
I'm so sorry. Why are you yelling? You okay? Good afternoon. Hi. What's wrong?
You kept me waiting for you here. And the first thing you meant to apologize.
But I said I'm sorry. Okay?
Oh.
Hey, sweetie. My usual place. Thank you. Come on now. I said sorry.
Where are you even coming from?
I don't know where to go. I'm stuck right here in my sorrow. Oh, it seems my whole world is crashing down, and everything is tearing apart.
Hey. Come on up.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. When did you bashed in on me again?
I'm sorry.
What if I was naked?
But you're not. I bought you food.
Oh, come on.
I went out with my friend today, so we went shopping and I decided to get this for you.
Come on, you don't have to be doing this. You're already doing enough taking care of me.
You're welcome. So you can try it.
It looks nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you like it?
It's nice.
The restaurant's actually very good. So one of these days we'll go. So, can you continue the story you were telling me earlier?
Oh no, I don't want. I feel that will spark emotions, and that's really what I don't want right now. But on a very good day, I'll tell you. I promise.
Take your time. Today I went to apologize to my friend. You know, the last time I shut the gate against her, so it was only right for me to apologize.
You're so kind. I mean, you always go out of your way to help others. It goes to show the kind of person you are. You are kind.
Thank you.
Come here.
You're the treasure in my heart, the fire in my soul. You're my burning desire, like a diamond in the sky. You brighten my day. You're my burning desire. In your eyes, I see my sunrise. I see my future. I see my brighter day. In that smile, I see my joy. I see my favor. And I see my blessings. 'Cause you and I together, through the stormy weather, we're breaking through every chain. You and I forever, to make a better. and I together. Through the storm and weather, we're breaking through every chain. You and I forever to make a better day. Make a better day. You're the treasure in my heart. Fire in my soul. You're a more burning desire. My burning desire. Like a diamond in the sky. You brighten my day. You brighten my day. You're a more burning desire.
I'm so nervous going to your house.
Maybe because you see bully.
You mean what now?
Girl, I'm not a child. You're panicking. You don't want to see bully.
Just change this topic right now. Eh? Before the Holy Ghost shut your mouth.
Ha!
See, the fact that I forgive him and tolerate that his lifestyle doesn't mean that I don't understand boundaries.
Okay.
Light and darkness has nothing in common.
You win, keep lying. I can see it in your eyes. Besides, why they even name you Linda? Don't you know Linda means servant? You need to change that your name.
Tell me they go your house first.
So we mind the concept, say they go your house first. I don't want now, we'll go see. Girl, I beg you.
You're the treasure in my heart, the fire in my soul. You're a my burning desire, like a diamond in the sky. You brighten my day. You're my burning desire. In your eyes, I see my sunrise. I see my future.
Why are you guys staring at me as if you've seen a ghost?
Why did you bring them here?
It's ready to go to bed, of course.
Okay.
Yes.
But this is Bruno's spot. This is where he likes sleeping.
You've already given me the discussion. And besides, I don't want to disturb you guys with my midnight prayers. Coupled with the fact that you're going to work early.
Anytime we can just share. Just let him sleep in it.
No, it's fine. She can stay. She can stay. I can just stay at the visitor's room.
Besides, there's enough space here. It can accommodate both of us.
Oh no! I'll just go to the visitor's room.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay, suit yourself.
Good night, everybody.
You're the treasure in my heart, the fire in my soul. You're a my burning desire, like a diamond in the sky. You brighten my day. You're my burning desire. In your eyes, I see my sunrise. I see my future. I see my brighter day. In that smile, I see my joy. I see my favor. I see my blessings. Cause you and I together. There's no weather. We're breaking through everything. You and I forever. We'll make a better day. I said you and I together. Through storm and weather. We're breaking through every chain. You and I forever. We'll make a better day. Make a better day. You're the treasure in my heart. Fire in my soul. You're a more burning desire. Like a diamond in
didn't. Why was she?
Nothing, I'm just asking. You know she's funny sometimes, so.
Oh, I see.
What's funny?
Not really. Looks like someone is being overprotective of me. Guess someone is falling in love with me, yeah?
No. Why would I? It's nothing, just that she said she wants to pray in the living room. Only for me to see her at the door. And she was not supposed to spend the night here. So I don't know what she's doing.
What she's up to, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. She said she was going to pray. I think I overheard her pray or something. And that was it. Oh, you want to check?
No, it's fine. It's okay. It's fine.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be on time.
Alright. It's your house. So.
You just have to close the door. Today's going to be a very long day. Right. You okay? Oh, shit. What is it?
Nonsense! Oh, what is it? Can you believe I forgot my handbag in your house?
You. Girl, you love all your collections. How come you forgot your handbag?
Girl, you know, there's always the first time. However, I think it's from the stress of last night's kabashing. I just realized now I wanted to make a call and call my girl.
Okay, so should I turn?
No. Don't worry. I don't want you to receive a query at work. You're already late. Eh? Yes. So just drop me. Let me take a ride back.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'll be fine.
Okay. That's fine. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, level 2.
Alright.
I'll see you. Oh, yeah, be careful.
Yes.
Okay. Do you need money for transport?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Alright, bye.
You're the treasure in my heart, the fire in my soul. You're my burning desire, like a diamond in the sky. You brighten my day. You're my burning desire. In your eyes, I see my sunrise. I see my future. I see my brighter day. In that smile, I see my joy. I see my favor. And I see my blessings. 'Cause you and I together, through the stormy weather, we're breaking through every chain. You and I forever, to make a better day. I said you and I together, through the stormy weather, we're breaking through every chain. You and I forever, to make a better day. Make a better day. You're the treasure in my heart, fire in my soul. You're a more body desire.
Let's go. So I can lock the door.
Chill now. Bros, are you chasing me away?
Oh no, it's not like I'm chasing you away. You said you have somewhere important to be.
I'm the boss of my own empire. And apart from what I came to pick up, I wanted to have some moment with you.
Some moment with me. Okay, alright. What
I'm not
could...
a child now. Don't you understand what I mean? Can't you see the fire in my eyes? Can't you see? From the moment I set my eyes on you, didn't you realize that I lost my mobility?
Is that so?
Of course. There's a fire burning inside me, and only you can quench it.
Wait, I'm a bit lost here. I thought you were a born-again Christian. The only fire you should be talking about should be Holy Ghost fire.
Fire is fire everywhere, especially when the source is irresistible.
Do you know what I think? I honestly think you're trying to set me up with your friend.
No. Moreover, she told me that there's nothing going on between you guys, so I can have you if I wish.
You're the treasure in my heart, the fire in my soul. You're my burning desire.
Are you sure you're not being mischievous?
How can I? This is my pride I want to sell to you. And believe me, it's still intact. I don't know how else you want me to prove it to you. I don't know what you've done to sweep me off my feet.
You know what? Let me just... My body's on fire already. Let me just go on and freshen up and then come back.
Oh, okay. I'm waiting. Please hurry up.
I'll deal with you. I'm coming back.
And I know that you know it was love, real love at first sight, true love at first sight.
We meet again.
Hope I'm safe.
I'm afraid you are not. We were reliably informed that the state criminal who traced to your house lives with you now.
Miss Lucy, I don't know if you understand the danger associated with you harboring a criminal in your place. The danger it is to you and the society at large.
Sir, to be honest, I'm not harboring anyone. This information is malicious, aimed at targeting my credibility and my character.
Madam, I beg, leave big grammar. Here is a search warrant to go search your home. You just have to cooperate with us.
I have to report to my seniors.
We have a warrant to go search your house and you have to cooperate with us now. We need to be on our way there.
Please let me tell my seniors. It's only right that...
Hello, Lucy. You're safe. You're with the police commission, okay?
Let's go.
Alright, ma'am. So what now?
Well, I'll say we're sorry. We apologize for barging in on you like that.
You're sorry? Just sorry, is that it? What happens to the emotional and psychological trauma that you guys have put me through?
Well, the police commission will compensate you adequately for aiding this investigation. Moreover, your superiors are aware that you are assisting the police during the course of this investigation, so your job is still intact. Okay?
Who was the whistleblower?
Madam, you know it's against our rule of engagement, so we cannot reveal such to you. Sorry.
Okay.
Good.
You'll be hearing from my lawyers.
Thank you. Officer, let's go.
You guys are definitely going to hear from my lawyer. God, what's happening? What's going on today? His number is not connecting. Linda's number is not going. He's nowhere to be found. His things are not in the house. What's happening? Did they run away together? Because I know Linda has always liked him. Why would he do that to me? How is it that he disappeared with no trace of him anywhere?
You're the treasure in my heart, the fire in my soul. You're my burning desire, like a diamond in the sky. You brighten my day. You're my burning desire. In your eyes, I see my sunrise. I see my future. I see my brighter day. In that smile, I see my joy. I see my favor. And I see my blessings. Cause you and I together.
Hey. Why are you startled?
You scared me.
You don't have to be scared in your own house.
Do I know? Do I know anymore? First, someone told the police that you were here. Then they came here, they searched, and they didn't see you. And I've been calling you for God knows how long and you've not been picking your calls. What's happening?
Take a chill pill and try not to be up in the hill. You will get all the answers that you seek. But first, let's celebrate. Okay?
Sadly, are we celebrating? You almost killed me.
We are celebrating everything you mentioned, surviving from it. But then, can you please go freshen up first before we get started?
Oh, God.
Here you go.
I'm tired.
All right.
Fine. Thank you.
Cause you and I together, through the stormy weather, we're breaking through every chain. You and I forever, to make a better day. I said you and I together.
yourself first. Everything comes with celebration. Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. First, we're gonna cheer to greatness.
Okay, so now that we're on a lighter mood, can you tell me what's going on?
Well, there's nothing going on. Nothing really. It's just for you to be careful of who you call friend. You know, that devil you call your friend, I mean, she's not worthy to be your friend. She's masquerading herself as a Christian, whereby she's a devil. She's not who you think she is.
Don't you think it's a vile way to describe someone? She's my friend and she's a nice person.
Well, I would have just kept my cool. I mean, keep my mouth shut. But because of your heart, you have a very kind heart, a very kind soul. So I'll just tell you what you need to know. I mean, what concerns you.
What do you think you're doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? Of course, I'm recording and getting an evidence because I know a green mamba in a green grass like you will turn things around.
How dare you set me up?
Play with you.
No, please don't.
Everything you said, I have it on record. Now start performing.
Don't kill me.
Stop performing before I blow your scale.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Turn around. Open. Open it.
Open.
Open.
Sorry, am I dreaming?
Oh yes. The cops coming to raid your house. As you're dreaming. She coming back here. I mean, leaving her bag on purpose to come back here. Of course, it's you dreaming. And she not calling you. She not telling you. It's you dreaming. And
it's okay. It's okay. I feel like a fool already. It's fine. God. I still can't believe it, honestly. Okay. How did you disappear from the house? Because I was so scared.
I didn't do all my schooling abroad in vain. And this past few weeks I've spent with Sniper and his gang. At least I've learned one thing. The street credibility.
I'm sorry for being careless.
Oh, come on. Shit happens. At least you know better now. Oh, by the way, Smalley called me. Said the gang went for their normal operation, but this time they were intercepted by the police. Everyone died except him.
Jesus. Sorry, who is Smalley?
Smalley is another conscripted soldier. I mean, we planned this whole breakout, before this whole thing happened. He's a jolly good fellow, By the way, he gave me money to buy all this.
Breaking through every chain, you and I forever, to make a better day. I said you and I together.
Officer, how can you call this fake alarm? Someone that pointed a gun at me.
Well, you didn't do your homework very well.
Let this not be a ploy to prevent me from getting the whistle-blowing reward. Eh?
Will you get out of my office before I put you behind bars for false alarm? Do you know the problem we'll be facing if she actually goes ahead pressing charges in court?
Court? Why now?
Oh, you think you have wriggled yourself out of this already? You better pray she doesn't go ahead with those charges, because I will not defend you at the detriment of my job. Now you can leave my office.
Babes, why are you vibrating like this? What's wrong?
I always knew you were a handsome. But if someone had told me in my wildest imaginations that you were this vile and wicked, I would say it's a lie.
I don't understand.
You are wicked. Linda, you are heartless. You don't have fear of God in your heart. You don't have conscience. You are a bad person. See, let me tell you, Bono has told me everything. Don't worry, I know everything.
I can't believe that you believe the words of that vile creature over your sister in the Lord.
Oh, shut up! Shut up, you daughter of Jezebel! Are you mad? What are you doing that for? My friend, take off your mask. I've seen you for who you are. Take off your mask. I'm not here to exchange words with you, because if someone sees us, they'll think I'm fighting because of a man. I'm here to tell you, please, for the love of God, avoid me and avoid everything that concerns me. Are we clear?
But you know that I was actually at gunpoint.
Oh.
Yes, it wasn't my fault.
Really? You were on gunpoint where you decided to intentionally forget your bag in my house, then go back to get it. You were on gunpoint when you were bringing all sorts of drama, all sorts of nonsense, just to get his attention. It's fine. I'm not fighting. I'm cool. We'll avoid you. Okay?
So you want to take me down, eh? You have the guts to come to my shop and spill all this rubbish.
Please don't go. It's late. Don't do this out of anger, please.
No, I should be telling you not to do this out of emotions. I need to go. Staying here is going to endanger our lives, and this is not what we want.
No.
No, I need to go.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
It's not about sorry. Now that you went to confront your friend, who knows her next step?
She won't do anything, trust me.
You never can tell. She's going to do something. I need to leave. Please.
Please don't go. Please.
I need to go. Okay? Just get yourself together. We might just be relaxed here thinking that nothing is happening, and she will come up with something.
Please. I've learned a lot from you. I want you to go. Please.
Sweetheart, I need to go.
Oh.
Please. I need to leave.
I said you and I together.
Did you just call me sweetheart?
We're breaking through every chain. You and I forever. To make a better day. Make a better day. You're the treasure in my heart. Fire in my soul. You're my burning desire. My burning desire.
This little urchin had the effrontery to threaten me because I chose to maintain a low profile because of Christ. I will show her what the Bible says is for us to lay aside. I will pick up what I laid aside and teach her the lesson she will never forget in a hurry. She will learn the hard way that you can't walk on a hot pan without being burnt.
Wake up! Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
You up already?
Yeah. I decided to do breakfast for you so that I can go shopping.
Shopping? Hell no. I should not be seeing you for good.
But you said Smalley said everything's okay now. What exactly are you hiding?
I'm not hiding anything. How can you say that? We just have to be careful of Linda. You know.
You and I know you're not scared of my friend. So please, we'll go shopping today. I'll help you with this one. Okay, this one.
All the pains you've gone through for me. I'll never take for granted.
Yeah.
With every beat of my heart and every breath that I take, I'll stick it out with you. I'll make it up to you.
Identify yourself or you are a gunner.
Coco, I mean the cap careless for.
Baba touch me for bag. Are the mad to cap careless give the Amazon herself? Waiting they worry me. Person where cap careless give you na death warrant in the sign now. You no believe her.
Liquid day, okay.
Oh man, they give now, man they. For the Amazon queen herself. Waiting play.
Only Black Lily. Black Lily with the toys. You don't know, you don't know person. What did they solve? What did chase you enter my crib this kind of time? No, so you know they were car like this, or maybe now something don't rough on one side.
Nobody feel makes you rough for Lily Black. I mean, they deny sir, they call you up to send us, sir.
You know, be the make Coco school. Eh? You don't see her? I don't say anytime you go do, you go do one. So I they believe your voltage. I go, what did they solve? Play all the cassettes, eh?
I want to show you something. You see this picture? Look at well. One agama and her lizard put hand for tortoise nyash. I want me you show her how corrosive you dey.
You know what you feel do? Now what make you pull body?
You say?
You say person do waiting. For this zone, we be say na me Joko there for throne. Mama Bo, Oba for their heads. Litting na their case.
Joko, you go cool temper.
Mama, they run temperature.
Hey, let it show. Eh? But I want me she suffer first.
They run temperature.
Mama, you know what you fit do? Now what make you bring matter for our table? Hey! You know say she go collect. Of course. At all, something must come out.
Lily dey always get plan. You don't want to make it day the way you want make it day. Make it day step by step. That kind of one. For the next one. So the way you talk, we go first bring her come first, put her for one place, reason it matter, or do the last.
Correct, guys.
You go collect.
My guys!
You go collect. You go collect.
Surely.
They run temperature, Mama.
I want this food to run away. That's my money. That's my money. You mad? No. Where you running to? Come on! I don't want to. You're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing my money. Stay out of this. Stay out of this.
What you're doing?
Stay out of this. Where's my money?
You can't be doing this.
This bastard duped me. This bastard duped me. Where's my money?
You're the fight for here.
Just get out of here. Where's my money? I see.
Know what you think. Can we talk?
Where's my money?
Wait, Oga. I know
they
fight for here.
Where's my money?
I know they fight for here. I know they fight.
Are you mad? Where's my money? Where's my money?
See, you know what you think.
I will call for our security.
I can't leave it.
Oh, you use my money to buy a car. You shouldn't have let that thief abscond like that. I've been looking for him all my life. And now God just brought him to me and you allowed him to slip off like that.
I hate the fact that you threw caution to the wind and fought in public. What if the police were called?
I don't care. I don't care about any police. Of what value is my life the way I'm living now? £1 million vanished like that. Just like that. You're telling me police? Who the hell is police? I don't care anymore. I don't care.
It's okay. Please calm down. Calm down. Eric said he was there to see the person that actually stole.
And you believed him. You believed that fool that tricked me. He fooled me into thinking that he got the best for me. And siphoned all my money just like that. Same way he just told you and you believed him. I told you I know this guy. I know the dude more than you know him. You're not going to see him again. You're not going to see him again. God just made me see him. And now he just came to tell me, let him go, police this, police that, you're fighting in public, and then he slipped off. All because you're just...
Come. I'm sure he will come back.
Come back from where? He's not coming anywhere.
I'm being honest, I'm sure. No, why? What is it? You're scaring me. What is it? Bruno! What? Bruno!
You want to kill me? What was all that for?
What was what?
Hey.
See, do you want more? If you want more, we
You
can
want
go
to
inside
I
and
don't want
continue.
more. No. I don't want to. I'm tired.
You should say.
Well, I wait, actually. That was so tough, you know? You're rolling it. You're rolling it. Damn. Oh, but wait, why are you doing all this?
How am I doing what?
You give me all that plenty money and you still give me your...
That's to show you how important what I want you to do is. You know? Yes. That's why I'm giving you plenty money. And I'm still giving you my body, you know? See, I want to make sure that you achieve what I'm paying you for. Then you see that Lucy? Leave that one for me. I want to handle her myself. I don't even like how we know strike last night.
See, you know you angry yourself. Take a easy. I don't say it's the para, but go calm down small. I can't job you what we go do it for you. I deal with you now. See, that one, as far as you get my challenge you, she will take him now. She will collect.
I'm
you trust me? My man, the mad.
I trust you. Liquid.
But maybe for arrest, I will need this thing to go.
I did now. Anyhow you want them.
Hey!
I did.
Mama just come. My bed wait for me.
Bruno, honestly, I have not rested since that incident. I've been walking up and down, trying to see that we make headway. Now, can you imagine that Lydia resigned her bank job and fled? That's right. And then when I contacted the bank, they told me they have nothing in the case since the transaction did not get to them. They don't have anything against any staff that resigned that does not have any traceable criminality to his name or her name.
So how did you come about that she's in town?
I don't know if you remember my ex-girlfriend, Geraldine.
Oh, the one that... I remember her, of course. She's always insisting that you call me on video. So how about her?
Well, I broke up with her because of her wild life. And then all of a sudden she popped up. And then I told her everything. I explained the situation to her. So she told me that the girl is one of her girlfriend's boyfriend's benefactor. I don't know what that means, but that she goes by the name Lily Black.
Are you sure it's the same Lily?
This for you.
Thank you.
Are you sure it's the same Lily?
Bruno, I asked the same question, not until I saw her picture.
Can I see the picture if you don't mind?
Of course. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
It's not true. That's my friend.
Yeah.
It's not true.
That's Lily Black.
So here's the key to her gate. But I don't have access to her door. So suppose know what to do now.
You dey worry for that one. Don't give us one, we'll roll the second one now.
Beg. I want clean job. No fuck up.
For this way, you don't give me finish. I could go do fake work. You go para for me too now.
So now, I beg.
No wala now. My enter now.
No wala. They go.
Are they with you?
Yes. Thank you. Correct guy.
I don't even understand. Why are you getting yourself worked up because of her?
I know Linda is a lot of work. But a thief? my head around this.
I understand how you feel. When shit happens, are you weeping for her?
No weeping. But I'm here to come to terms with the fact that she can do something like this. I fed her. I helped her. She literally runs to me at any slight discomfort and I never complained, not minding that I needed help too. To think she has such amount of money, I feel like I'm a fool. You know when you've known someone for so long and all of a sudden you feel like you don't even know this person at all. It's crazy.
Well, such is life. The only vengeance you can get is to put yourself together. We have to spring into action. We have to do something as soon as possible. Because if she gets a glimpse of what is going on, she will flee again. Alright? So put yourself together. I know you're disappointed. You're downcasted. But then, this is the time. It is now or never.
All the sacrifices you've made for me, all the pains you've gone through for me,
Get yourself together.
I'll never take for granted. With every beat of my heart and every breath that I take, I'll stick it out with you.
Another kiss on the forehead.
You're the treasure in my heart, fire in my soul. You're my burning desire. You're my burning desire. Like a diamond in the sky.
The point is that Linda had all these things planned out because she's one of the persons managing the company's account. So she had every detail of their transactions and operations. In fact, our meeting with the company's representative, I never knew they were all her arrangements.
What about the account the money was paid into?
Officer, it was a clone of the company's subsidiary account. You see, because she was a banker, maybe it was easier for her. And someone I've done legitimate business with in the past. So nobody suspected any foul play. But the thing is that the company actually advertised for investors in agricultural machines.
£1 million? It's too much money for you to have been that careless with. And you, where did you get that kind of amount of money from?
Are you serious? Are you being serious now, officer? At my age? I've lived in abroad for more than 22 years, and you think £1 million is too big for me to have?
I didn't say so. I'm just doing my job here.
Well, I would have ignored your curiosity. But if you must know, my name is Bruno Chijoke Iweka, the only surviving son of Chief
Late Sir Lawrence Iweka. You are him? Oh my God. The entire police community has been looking for you.
Looking for me?
Of course, it's for good. I'll have to take you to my area commander, but before then, let's go and apprehend that idiot before she escapes.
Just a victim of circumstances. But I know someday the truth will surely spring forth like a morning sun, so bright and beautiful.
I couldn't really say much before your friends because the information are classified. And when the document that indicted your father's partners was discovered, he was incarcerated. You get it? And the search for you is made silent because they think he's not working alone. And your life might be in danger too.
Is that it?
Yes. You know your father resigned as the DIG of the police before venturing into business.
Is that it?
Of course. And police blood flows in you. Didn't you see the idea you brought on the matter at hand? That is pure investigative intelligence. And the respect due to your father is yours now.
Well, I am not interested. I'm sorry.
By the way, I'm Inspector Joseph. I served under your father in Abuja before he resigned.
I wish you could see the innocence in my eyes.
Nice to meet you.
Between the lines, if only you could see the truth on the cover.
Liquid metal. How far now? How the operation go? I dey wait your call since.
Baby, it was successful, you know. You trust me now. As a matter of fact, everything's under control.
Correct guy. How my girl?
She did my crib like this. We use the second option. We just tie her for one tree for inside a cartel. Now go over my police guys make it go. They say I'm a vigilante casher. So when they don't confirm for me, I say they don't carry and they don't arrest themselves. You know, they station like this.
Sharp. Oh, okay. You don't handle everything, correct. Okay. No, I go to come creep now.
No, calm down now. You need to take them easy. Just wait in the morning if you come now. You say we just finish, so we can't rest. I say police already walk around, they fire that gang. So just rest. Tomorrow you enter.
Oh, okay. No wahala. Now I go wait. All you dey your head, no shaking. No shaking. I better not touch that girl. Leave her for me. I go chop before you chop, I dey come.
Okay, I hear you now.
No wahala.
It seems my whole world is crashing up, and everything is tearing apart. I'm not really what you think. I'm just a victim of circumstances. But I know someday the truth will surely spring forth.
Hello, officer. How can I help you?
Come on, Linda. We are not quarreling, are we?
How can I help you?
Well, it turned out that a band of robbers were in operation in that area yesterday, and some group of the local vigilante apprehended some of the guys. And one of the guys fit into the description you gave us. So we want you to come over to the station tomorrow morning so that you can identify the guy.
Why should I do that? After all the embarrassment and warning you gave me when I came to the office. Besides, if you already have him, of what use am I to you?
Linda, you are forgetting that there's a price tag on these criminals. I'm only trying to help you so that you get your reward.
Really? You mean I'll get a reward?
Yes, of course. Not less than 3 million naira.
But seriously, I have something important to attend in the morning.
Well, if you think where you're going tomorrow morning is much important or much more important than the money, you can go and leave it.
Who cares? Rubbish.
Today was a very rough day.
A very productive one.
A very, very productive one. At least all my efforts are not in vain. And then I've been vindicated.
I'm so sorry for all you've been through. But babe, how did you get to know about this?
I already know how criminals operate, and then I know what Linda is capable of doing. Eric right here
See, you know they go anywhere to do. You go choose between that your useless job and me.
Gaga. Now my parole you they call useless. Gaga, now my parole you get the more they call useless. Parole where they feed you, parole where they clutch you since we begin join body. Since we begin there together now, parole they feed you, they clutch you. Now we get mine, they call them useless. Gaga, you drink Gaga this morning.
Listen, I don't understand. Which parole you dey talk about? Eh? Which useless parole you dey talk about? Parole wey make you not dey get time for your woman. My guy, now useless parole. You dey hear? You dey talk of clothing. Which clothes? No, tell me. Eh? You forget that I enter this relationship. You forget my class. You forget the way I take day. You forget the funds when I enter this relationship. You don't squander everything. You dey the yana pata. Congo my see.
So Gaga, I won't get something very straight. So that public disgrace you won't become now, Abi? No, now me the disgrace for the hood.
Now you start them. I wait till you start.
My lady, Lady Gaga, I dey sorry. I dey promise you say, if I come back from this parole, me and you go at home alone. We go there inside house, locked door. I go massage you. I go romance you. I go licky you. I no go for your hand.
Swear.
I swear on my granny's grave, I no go for your hand. I feel ball out now. Sharp. Take care. Gaga. Gaga, why they block my road walk now? You don't start again. Why they block my road walk? Make I tell you something. For my cartel, failure to keep promise is a punishable offense. I don't promise them say I go put body. I don't promise them say I go show. Babe, if I no show up, men fee for me. They go buy me. Why you no fit comprehend wetin I dey yarn you?
I beg, no go this one. You get as body they do me. I beg.
Gaga, don't come again now. No start. Every time body they do you, body they do you. If belle don't enter, go see Dikeh now. No, go see Dikeh if belle don't enter. Okay, make I ask you. How body they do you this time?
Body they do me like so I go get problem for this waka.
No, they talk like that. Which kind problem?
Joko, I beg.
Babe, nothing go solve. Now me be Joko, I enter the street as a graduate. I no be illiterate. I dey use leg, they scatter gate. You know, sir, they go living faith. I get faith. Nothing go solve.
Joko, I beg. I dey beg you. My spirit no gree this one. I beg.
Gaga, my lady. Now your mind they reason you this one because you want make with them. Nothing go solve.
No.
Okay, wait. I dey promise you. I dey promise you now, say, after this movement, I go back down. After this one, make I just run this one. After this one, I go give up.
Joko, you know they go anywhere. You no go understand. I no go feel let you go. I no go let you go.
Gaga, you they block my road walk.
You know they
wait for me.
You know they go.
Men, they wait for me.
Joko, my spirit, no.
Gaga, reason me now. Reason
Joko,
me.
come now.
Reason with me now.
Hey.
Reason with me.
Joko, come. I get why. Come.
Come in.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Have a seat.
Thank you. Oh.
I guess you are here for your reward.
Of course.
Let's get your reward.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
What's going on here?
You are going on here. You know you really don't have to be sad over helping us to apprehend a criminal. In fact, I think you should be celebrating it.
I should be celebrating that I gave out my boyfriend. I know I was never in support of his evil ways, but I shouldn't have betrayed our love.
You know, I still wonder how you ended up with such a character in life. I understand you're not proud of him, because when I asked you, you told me he was your friend's boyfriend. Oh, come on.
You don't have to crucify nor blame me. Life happens.
I know, but you had a choice. You had a choice. Even back then in school, you had class. How did you end up here? How? Come on, Geraldine. You're better than this. Listen, it's fine. Okay? Everything will be okay. Okay. So how close are you? Okay. Fine.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, I'm good.
Where's Geraldine? She's not here yet.
I just got off the phone with her.
Hey.
She's very good. Yeah, hi.
Welcome.
How are you?
Fine, thank
Good to see you.
Same.
Hey,
All the sacrifices you've made for me. All the pains you've gone through for me. I'll never take for granted. With every beat of my heart and every breath that I take, I'll sneak it out with you. I'll make it up to you.
Is it the DC you're casually describing?
Well, I have not seen her in this light in such a long time.
Welcome.
Hi.
Yeah, come.
What? Propose.
Fire in my soul. You're my burning desire. You're my burning desire. Like a diamond in the sky. You're the treasure in my heart. The fire in my soul. You're my burning desire. Like a diamond in the sky. You brighten my day. You're my burning desire.
You just need to walk through that door and go. Leave your house. Please.
I see my sunrise. I see my future. I see my brighter day. In that smile,
The Lord is going to be our saving
I
grace.
see my joy. I see my favor. And I see my blessings. Cause you and I together, through the stormy weather, we're breaking through every chain. You and I forever, to make a better day. I said you and I together, through the stormy weather, we're breaking through every chain. You and I forever, to make a better day. Make a better day. You're the treasure in my heart. Fire in my soul. You're my burning desire. My burning desire. Like a diamond in the sky. You brighten my day. You brighten my day. You're my burning desire. Destiny can never be denied. Destiny can never be changed. Destiny brought us together. And I know that you know it was love. Real love at first sight. True love at first sight. All the sacrifices you've made for me. All the pains you've gone through for me, I'll never take for granted. With every beat of my heart and every breath that I take, I'll sneak it out with you. I'll make it up to you. So please don't hurt me, 'cause I won't hurt